Hey everybody, this is Miss Isacco, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I planned my dream vacation to California, and maybe you'll get some tips on how you can plan your dream vacation too. The first thing I want to show you is my vacation planning checklist. As you can see, there's a lot of steps that are involved in planning a vacation. This is my checklist, and I'm going to go through it with you. The first thing I did was create a budget. I researched some possible locations, California, Alaska, Colorado, and I decided eventually that I wanted to visit California. That would be the spot for my dream vacation. My dates for my vacation would be from August 4th to August 18th of this summer, 2018. In my research, I found lots of fun things in California that I would like to do, but three activities that I picked that I think I would really enjoy are visiting Redwoods National Park, taking a tour of San Francisco, and taking in a Los Angeles Dodgers game. California is really far away from Maryland, so to get to California, I'll have to travel with my family by airplane. There are three of us, so it can be a little pricey. For this trip, it's going to be 4 nights in San Francisco and 3 nights in Los Angeles, and those will all be spent in hotels. I did find some budget-friendly ones. While I'm in California, I'm definitely going to need a rental car to get around. There is public transportation in the cities, but it's not as easy to get around in outside of the cities in between the northern and the southern part of the state. The next thing I want to talk to you about is my budget. As you can see, there's a lot of steps involved in planning a budget, and it can get pretty pricey if you don't do a little budget shopping. So here is a look at my budget. The first thing I looked at is airfare. I estimated that it would cost me $1,500 for my family of 3 to go to California, but I actually found a really good deal on Kayak, and the total cost for 3 tickets round trip to California was $1,171.81. For the hotel, I estimated that it would cost $1,000. Again, I did some shopping around and found some deals. I found a hotel for 4 nights in San Francisco for $515 and a hotel in Los Angeles for $340 for 3 nights. Now, food was a little more expensive than I originally thought. Since we're staying in a hotel, we won't be able to do much cooking. So I figured about $100 a night for 6 nights for dinner for the three of us if we're eating out. For breakfast and lunch, we can go a little less expensive, and that'll cost $350 for 7 days. The activities and tours that we're going to do, some of them cost money and some of them are free. The Dodgers tickets will cost approximately $150 for 3 tickets. I rounded up in case there's any hidden fees. San Francisco tour is $237 for 3 of us. That was $79 a person. And Redwood National Park we can go to for free. To rent a car, I estimated it would cost $300. It actually turned out to be a little bit more than I thought. $456.23 to rent a car from August 4th to August 11th in California. The gas estimate I came up with based on gas prices in California, which average about $3.50 a gallon. Based on that and estimating how many miles we will be traveling, I figure we'll spend about $95 to $100 on gas. Souvenir budget I bumped up just a little bit from my original estimation just to cover any additional expenses. So that would bring the total cost of this trip to $4,065.03. My original budget was $3,800, so the actual trip cost is pretty close to that. I hope you enjoyed learning about how I planned my trip to California and how I created my budget. Thanks, and happy planning to you.